Alright, so here we have a little bit more of a difficult, or if I may say, I guess, a hard question that you can get on the SAT. So it states this: in the XY plane, the point PR lies on the line with the equation y is equal to x plus b, right? Where b is a constant with the coordinates 2p, 5r, and lies on the line with the equation y is equal to 2x plus b. If p can't equal 0, what is the value of rp? So we're trying to find the value of rp here, right? So to do this, I'm going to write down my information first. So I know that PR, basically could lie, it lies on y is equal to x plus b, right? And we know that 2p 5r lies on y is equal to 2x plus b. Now I can do something really cool here. Since these are my x and y values, I can just substitute these values into my equations we have here. So if I use a different color here, we know that this one over here is going to become, remember our x values goes in here, so it's going to be r is equal to p plus b, right? And this one over here is going to become, think about it, our x value is 2p, so it becomes, and our y value is 5r, so 5r is equal to 2 times 2p. Is where the kids make a lot of errors here because they think, oh, well, let's just put in 2, but no, it's 2 times 2p, right? And then it's plus b. Okay, so we've created our equations over here. Our next step would actually be to isolate for b, and I'll show you why we're going to be doing that. So, okay. So let's do this for, let's say number 1, I'm going to do number 2. Okay, so for number 1, we're going to isolate for b, we're going to do r is equal to p plus b, right? So then what is my b equal to? B would be equal to r minus p. All right, and then now let's look at equation number 2. We have 5r is equal to 4p. Remember, this will distribute into this, so it would be 4p plus b. And then what would I do here to solve this? I would have to isolate for my b, right? So remember, your b would equal 5r minus 4p. Now here comes a really cool part. Since I've set these both to b, I can just make them equal to each other. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a line here. I'm going to work this out in a different color for my next step. So I can do r minus p is equal to 5r minus 4p, like so. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to simplify this further. And when we simplify it, we can figure out that this is basically equal to 3p is equal to 4r. So this is what it simplifies into. And you'll be able to figure this out, right? If you move everything correctly, right? So this would move to the other side. It would become plus 4 minus p, which will give us 3p. And then this 5r, you would subtract an r from it. You'll get 4r. All right? Okay, now since we got this, all we have to do is find r over p. And how can we do that? All we have to do is divide both sides of the equation by p and by 4. Okay, so then therefore it would become 3 is equal to 4r over p, right? And then we would move this 4 to the other side over here by dividing it out. So it would be 3 over 4 is equal to r over p. And that's it. We've found our answer over here. So our answer to this question, the value of r over p is 3 over 4.